morning, my dear students. This is the part 5 of chapter 4, cubes and cube roots. Today we shall begin with the new topic, to find the cube root of a number using the digit at its units place. So how to find the cube root of a number? By using the digit at its units place, that is the last digit of the number. Here are the steps to be followed. Step number 1, make groups of 3 digits starting from the units place of given number. So we have to make a group of 3 digits starting from the last digit. Step 2, from the last digit of the given number, determine the digit at the units place of the cube root. You can remember I have mentioned the properties of cube root in the part 1 of this chapter. So by looking at the last digit of the number, we can say what will be the last digit of the cube root of that number. Step number 3, now consider the group which is left. Find the largest single digit number whose cube is less than or equal to this leftover number. This number will be the tens place of the cube root. Now let us do some exercise so that you can follow the steps and solve. Exercise 1, find the cube root of 91125. Solution for this is as make groups of 3 digits starting from the right. So if I make a group of 3 digits, I get 125 is one group and 91 is another group. The last digit of the given number is 5. So the cube root will also have 5 at units place. Now the number left after making group of 3 is 91. So we have made group of 1, 2, 5 and 91 is left. So now think of the largest single digit number whose cube is less than or equal to 91. We know that 4 cube is 4 into 4 into 4, which is equal to 64, less than 91, but 91 is less than 5 into 5 into 5, which is equal to 125. So in tens place we have to write 4. Therefore cube root of 91125 is 45. Now let us see another example. Find the cube root of 19683 without finding prime factors. So again we have made group of 3 digits. The last digit of the number is 3. So the last digit of cube root will be 7. We have got this in properties of cube roots I mentioned in part 1 of this chapter. Now the leftover group is 19. 19 lies between 8 and 27. 8 is 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 2 cube, and 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3, 27. So 19 lies between 8 and 27. So we have to take the smaller value 2. In tens place, the cube root of 19683 will be 2. Therefore the cube root of 19683 is 27. Next example, find the cube root of 157464. The solution for this will be I have to make group of 3 digits. So starting from the last digit, 464 will be one group, 157 will be another group. The last digit of the number is 4, so the number of cube root of the given number will be 4. Now the leftover group is 157. We know that 5 cube is equal to 125, 5 into 5 into 5. 6 cube is equal to 6 into 6 into 6 equal to 216. 157 lies between 125 and 216. So taking the smaller value 5 cube, we get that in tens place the number will have 5. Therefore the cube root of 157,464 will be 54. Now let us solve some problems from exercise 4.2. Question number 1. Find the cube root of given numbers by prime factorization method. I assume all of you have understood that topic and you can do the sum. I have done question number 2 for you. 3 numbers are in the ratio 2:3:5. The sum of their cubes is 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. Find the numbers. Solution for this is as the given ratio is 2:3:5. Let the ratio be 2x:3x:5x. According to question, 2x cube plus 3x cube plus 5x cube is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. 2x cube is 8x cube plus 3x whole cube is equal to 27x cube plus 5x whole cube is equal to 125x cube equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. If I add the variables, I get 160x cube equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. Therefore, x cube will be equal to 216. I have to find the cube root of 216. I get the answer as 6. Therefore, 2x equal to 2 into 6, 3x equal to 3 into 6, 5x equal to 5 into 6. So 2x is 12, 3x is 18, 5x is 30. Question number 6. The volume of a cubical box is 19683 meter cube. Find its age. Solution for this, the volume of a cube is equal to side to the power cube. To find the side of the given cube, we have to find the cube root of 19683 meter cube. Therefore, we have to find the cube root of 19683. If I find the cube root of 19683, I get 27. Therefore, one side of the cube measures 27 meter. Homework from exercise 4.2, you do question number 3 and question number 4, 3 and 4. And the other questions you have done in the last class as homework. So submit it by evening. This is all for today's class. Have a great day.